अरे मुझे कितना जोर से कूद रहा है। देखिए अब मैं मना कर रही हूँ ना तो मान भी नहीं रहा है।
भाभी कूदने दो ना, अब मेरा रयन है ही इतना एक्टिव। वैसे भी ना मैं उसे किसी चीज के लिए मना नहीं करती हूँ, और वैसे मना करूंगी भी ना भाभी तो वो नहीं मानता है, वो नहीं सुनता है।
Did you just see the video that I just shared in this reel? I really like that girl. She acts really well.
नहीं भाभी, वो सुनता ही नहीं है, वो मानता ही नहीं है।
She did really well. Hi, I'm Vishaka, counselor, healer, and a life coach. So while I was thinking about how children behave and how we expect them to behave, and this video came across, and I was thinking, what is the way to look at the child's behavior? And the base of my studies in psychology and of course my experience overall tells me that whatever the child behaves is the reflection of his or her parents. Yes, you heard it right. It is reflection of the parents, the way child behaves. Giving what child needs, whatever he or she asks for, is not the right way of upbringing. When I say that, doesn't mean that you should be mean with your kids and just keep on scolding them and beat them. That is also not the right way. As well as giving away whatever they want, whatever they ask for, is also the not right way. So what should we do? Of course, we should talk to them. What is the need that they are asking for? Is it reasonable? As per them, is it reasonable? Talk to them with respect, understand them, and make them explain whether that particular thing that they are seeking for or they want, is it really necessary. Ask them questions, ask them more questions, push them to think more, that whatever they are asking, whether it is reasonable or they are just asking for asking sake because other kids have it, they find it fascinating and attractive, that's why they just want. Do they really want that desperate and they are finding it that valuable? Is it that important to them? Let them understand that everything that comes in life carries certain value. So treat your kids with respect and understand they are very smart. Okay, when I say very smart, remember they understand since childhood, since they are born, they know towards which person to go. आप जब उनको पास में लेने के लिए हाथ आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो उनको आपका ऑरा समझ में आता है. छोटे बच्चे किसी के पास भी नहीं जाते हैं जब तक उनको वो इंसान का ऑरा पसंद नहीं आता है. So they are so smart, very smart than grown-ups as well. So please consider them as an individual and talk to them like adults, or not adults, but talk to them that they carry the opinion, they know what they want. So this will establish a good relationship between you and your child. Okay, so think about it, and I'm going to bring some more content on kids and parenting, which will really help you to understand that how we ignore small things which create mess in your and your kids' life. I hope this helps. Happy healing, everyone.